Have you ever heard of a game called League of Legends? It's one of the most popular video games in the world with millions of players. But what exactly is it and why do so many people love it? Let's break it down for you. At its core, League of Legends, often called LoL, is a team-based strategy game. Imagine two teams, each with 5 players, battling it out on a magical map. Your main goal? To destroy the other team's nexus, which is like their main base or crystal located deep within their territory. Now, each player controls a unique character called a champion. Think of them as your personal hero, with their own special abilities, looks, and playstyles. There are over 160 different champions to choose from, ranging from fierce warriors and wise mages to agile assassins and even quirky creatures. To reach the enemy nexus, you need to clear a path. This means pushing through 3 main lanes that connect the bases. Each lane is guarded by powerful defensive structures called turrets or towers that shoot at enemies. You also have little computer-controlled soldiers, called minions, who march down these lanes and help you fight. As you defeat enemy minions, champions, and turrets, you earn gold and experience. Gold allows you to buy powerful items to make your champion stronger, while experience helps you level up and unlock more potent abilities. The game also features neutral monsters in the jungle area between lanes, like the mighty Baron Nashor or various dragons, which grant powerful temporary buffs to your whole team when defeated. It's not just about getting individual kills, it's about strategy, teamwork, and knowing when to attack objectives. A well-timed team effort can turn the tide of a losing game. This mix of strategy, fast-paced action, and continuous updates keeps the game fresh and exciting, making it a global phenomenon and a massive esport. So, League of Legends is a strategic 5v5 team game where you pick a unique champion, destroy enemy towers and structures, defeat monsters for buffs, get stronger, and ultimately destroy the enemy's main base to win. It's free to play, and with its deep gameplay and vibrant community, it offers endless hours of strategic fun. Subscribe for more fun facts.